Today, we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim, the phone that might just redefine premium in a whole new way. This device is rumored to be Samsung's thinnest and most luxurious smartphone ever, and it's packed with groundbreaking features designed to rival even the most high-end phones on the market. Whether you're here for the design, the features, or just to see how it stacks up to the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Slim, stay tuned because you won't want to miss any of this. First up, let's look at the design that everyone's talking about. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to feature an ultra-thin body with a lightweight titanium frame, giving it a stunning, sleek look without compromising on durability. At just 6.8mm thick, this phone is rumored to be one of the slimmest on the market. Samsung is focusing on high-quality materials, creating a phone that not only looks elegant, but also feels incredible to hold. It's a minimalist dream, sophisticated, stylish, and ready to make a statement. Moving to the display, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Slim is expected to feature a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. Samsung has reportedly optimized this display for power efficiency, giving you bright, vibrant visuals without draining your battery too quickly. Imagine streaming your favorite shows or playing games with stunning clarity and color, all on a screen that's easy to hold and carry. Samsung's focus here seems to be on making every pixel count, enhancing brightness, contrast, and color accuracy for a truly immersive experience. Now let's talk performance. While the S25 Slim might not have the same powerhouse chip as the Ultra, it's still expected to pack some serious power. Samsung is likely to equip this model with the Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Elite depending on the region, giving users a powerful and efficient performance boost. This makes it a solid choice for anyone who wants a high-performing device without the bulk or weight of larger models. One of the most exciting rumors about the S25 Slim is its camera system. Samsung is reportedly including a 108-megapixel main sensor, paired with an ultra-wide and a telephoto lens for flexibility. While it may not have the Ultra's full 200-megapixel sensor, this setup is expected to deliver stunning photos with sharp detail and vibrant colors. The Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to bring some of Samsung's AI-driven photography features, such as scene optimization, Super HDR, and night mode, giving you great results in any lighting condition. Battery life is another area where Samsung has focused its efforts. Despite its slim profile, the Galaxy S25 Slim is expected to feature a 4,200 mAh battery, which should provide decent battery life thanks to Samsung's optimization. Fast charging capabilities are also anticipated, with 25 dually wired and 15 dually wireless charging options that ensure you're never without power for long. The Galaxy S25 Slim is more than just a thin phone. It's a statement piece in the Samsung lineup. If you're looking for a high-end slim device that doesn't compromise on power or style, the Galaxy S25 Slim might just be the phone for you. Subscribe and stay tuned for more updates on Samsung's S25 lineup.